I'm back again with another review video, and today I'm going to be reviewing this shower gel. This is the S&K Duchess Glow Shower Gel Luminous Glow Super Glutathione Premium Skin Brightening, Reduce Wrinkles, Anti-Aging Effects. This particular body wash has been a bestseller in my store. Like from the very first day I opened my store, this was the first product that I sold in my store. People buy this product every day. The S&K Duchess Glow brand is a bestseller in my store. It has different variants, over 6 variants of the S&K Duchess Glow, but this particular one and other variants as well are fast selling like hot akara in my store. People buy this body wash. People buy this body wash for different reasons: for the fragrance, for the effectiveness of how it works for wrinkles, how it works for stretch marks, how it works for brightening the skin. This body wash has been a bestseller, trust me. This one I'm holding in my hand currently is my own. Like, this is my own. I say, let me quickly come and review it and show you guys the best of the bestseller products in the market currently. Okay, this shower gel, like I said earlier, has been trending a lot in the market, on TikTok, everywhere. Why? Because it claims to give you a glowing skin, it claims to brighten the skin, and it also claims to treat stretch marks and wrinkles on the skin. And before we even get into this body wash, let's start with what is a brightening shower gel. A brightening shower gel is a body cleanser designed to remove dirt, oils, and dead skin cells, while also containing ingredients that helps to improve the appearance of uneven skin tone. Let's look at the key ingredients of this particular body wash. The main ingredient in this shower gel is the L-glutathione. Yes. Now, what is glutathione? Glutathione is a very powerful antioxidant. It helps by reducing oxidative stress, improving skin brightness, and supporting even skin tone. However, in a wash-off product like this, the brightening effect is usually mild because the product does not stay on the skin for a long time. Now, what is a good body wash? A good body wash should cleanse the skin, prepare the skin for the body lotion, remove sweat and bacteria, maintain the skin barrier. So for the texture, it has this gel-like texture and it foams really well. When you mix it with water, it foams really well. A little goes a long way as long as this shower gel is concerned. A little of this shower gel goes a long way. Really moisturizing when you use it on your skin after you're done taking your bath. Trust me, it gives you this moisturizing effect. It doesn't dry out your skin. So if you know that you have dry skin, it doesn't dry out your skin. It doesn't make your skin look, gummy or whatever. It's gently cleanse your skin. It gently removes dirt and make your skin to feel squeaky clean when you are done using this particular shower gel. So who should use this particular shower gel? This shower gel is good if you have uneven skin tone, you have dull skin. Also, if you want a brightening body routine, or you love sweet smelling fragrant body washes, shower gel, this particular body wash is for you. How do you use this body wash? So when you want to use this body wash and you want to achieve that brightening effect on your skin, you lather it on your sponge. Go ahead to massage it gently on your skin. When you are done massaging it on your skin, you leave it on your skin for 1 minute, 60 seconds, 1 minute, so it will soak into your skin. That is the only way you can get the brightening effect of this particular shower gel. So the ingredients can actually penetrate into your skin and work better. Okay, that is the only way you can get the best result of this shower gel. If you know that you're looking for a brightening body routine, you just got it because of the fragrance, because of how foamy it gets, then you don't need to do this routine. You can just go ahead to pour it on your sponge, lather it, let it foam, use it to wash your body properly and rinse it off immediately. Okay, but if you want that brightening effect, if you want that glutathione ingredient to sink into your skin and work, you have to allow it to sit on your skin for at least 1 minute before you rinse it off. Now let me quickly give you a body care routine using this particular shower gel. So when you want to bathe, you bathe with this, you take your bath with this. Like I said earlier, use it on your skin, leave it on for 1 minute before you rinse it off. Then when you are done, you are out of the shower, you make sure to exfoliate your skin. You exfoliate your skin 2 to 3 times in a week. So when you exfoliate your skin with a physical scrub or a chemical scrub, physical scrub like your body scrub, chemical scrub like a body lotion that exfoliates the skin, that contains either lactic acid or glycolic acid. That are this is a chemical exfoliant that can exfoliate your skin, that may be in form of body lotion, okay, or that may be in form of body oils, okay. So that is what you use on your skin. So when you are done exfoliating your skin, you go in with your body lotion. You can get a brightening body lotion, the Advanced Korean Skin Bright and Smooth Body Lotion. I've actually made a review about this body lotion and it's in my previous video, so go ahead to watch it. I'm going to leave the link to that video in the description box, so you go and watch it and know the particular variants of the lotion you use on your skin, okay. So you go ahead to apply your body lotion. When you are done applying your body lotion, you go ahead to apply your sunscreen is very important, as long as you know you want to brighten your skin. You cannot say you want to brighten your skin and you don't apply your sunscreen is a must-have. So you go ahead to use your sunscreen. That is the best way to get a brighter skin, to get a glowy brighter skin. That is a simple body care routine that can brighten your skin using this body wash. So I just started using this body wash. The main reason why I got this body wash is not to treat stretch marks, because I don't have stretch marks on my skin. The reason why I got this body wash is this fragrance and also how foamy it is and how it brightens the skin, you know. That is the main reason why I got this body lotion, and trust me, I've been using it for the past 3 weeks now, and this body lotion is a like 10 over 10 minus nothing. I love it so much. It's really good to cleanse your skin properly without drying out your skin. It's a very good moisturizing and brightening body wash, sorry, that you should try out. It's a bestseller in my store. It's a must have for your personal use. Is a bestseller, trust me. This body wash, I love it so much. People buy it, people talk about it every blessed day in my store. So let me know in the comment section, have you tried this body wash before? The S&K Duchess Glow 13-in-1 glutathione body wash. Let me know in the comment section, have you tried it before? Let me know your experience in the comment section, and if you want me to make a review about other variants of the S&K Duchess Glow body washes, body shower gel, let me also know in the comment section, and it will be coming straight to your screen, okay. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead to send a WhatsApp message to the number on your screen as well, and also follow our TikTok page, Globis Beauty Store. Follow our TikTok page. That is where I post every day. Please go and follow our TikTok page, okay. If you want to purchase any skincare products, go ahead to send a WhatsApp message to the number on your screen. Purchase any skincare products. If you also want for recommendations, okay. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you when I see you. Bye.